Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby with Svelte Training here. If you've been on our channel before, welcome back. If you haven't, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe, check out our channel, ring the bell so you know when we post next. But today we are doing an awesome raw fat workout, okay? It's summertime and we want to feel nice and confident in those little summer dresses. So we're gonna work out and tone our body there. You can use light dumbbells like I am, or if you don't have any extra weight, you can use water bottles, or you can simply do it without any added weight at all. All right, so let's get into it. Alrighty, before we get to the weight, we need to do a warm up. It's super important to protect our muscles and our bodies. So we're gonna do some arm circles backwards. All right, nice small arm circles for a few seconds. Very good. And switch, go forward. Warm up those muscles, warm up those arms, avoid injury. Very good. Now we're gonna cross swing. Stretch those muscles, warm up. Should feel very, very good. All right, now we're gonna do up, all the way up. Down. Ooh, my chest just popped a little. See? It's nice to open up the body. Very good. Now we're gonna go to the side, all the way up. Fly like a bird. Very good, and awesome job. So we are gonna be doing 2 sets. The first one, I explain a little bit more. It's like more demonstration. And the second one, we go straight through the workout. So if you feel like you have good knowledge of movement, go ahead and get to it. If not, we're gonna be starting with L raises, all right? And every time you put down your weight and you go to pick it up, always remember to go with a straight back, okay? Go and pick it up with a straight back, bend your knees, never curved and carrying with your back, okay? Straight back, bend in the knees, all right? Super important to prevent injury. But first, we're starting with our L raises. So weight is down here. One comes up to the front and the other comes up to the side, all right? And then we switch and do that continuously. Alrighty, starting with 30 seconds, let's go. All right, now it's super important to remember to stop when it's shoulder width, shoulder length, all right? So you don't wanna go above and you don't wanna just, come halfway. So right to where the shoulders are, and then switch. That's where the control comes in. That's where the use of your muscles come in. And even though we're working our arms, we have a nice bend in the knees, all right? And our core is engaged. We have a nice tight tummy. Our butt is tucked. Our shoulders are pressed away from our ears. And we're breathing. Very good. 3, 2, 1, and awesome job. Go ahead, put those down, shake out the arms. Next, we have an overhead press. So we're gonna be having our arms in a 90-degree angle, and then we're gonna be pressing all the way up and coming back down. Again, with that control, coming to a 90-degree angle. Our arms right here are parallel to the mat or the floor, all right? 30 seconds. Let's go, starting position, 90-degree angle, and press up, very good. Now here, remember to not arch, all right? We don't wanna be arching, all right? Zipping that rib cage, all right? Tucking in that butt and that tummy, making sure we're protecting our spine. Very good. Almost there, push through, you got this. 3, 2, 1, and very good. Go ahead, put those weights down and relax for a second, shake it out. And next we're gonna be doing our bent over rows. So we are standing, our feet are hip width apart. All right, now we push our hips back. We have a nice bend here. And what we're gonna be doing is starting with our arms straight down, and we're bending our elbows, pulling them up towards our chest. And the key here is to keep your elbow close to your body, all right? You don't wanna just bring them outwards, okay? So starting our clock, 30 seconds. All right, arms straight down and pull them close to your chest. Our elbows are nice and tucked. Straight back here, remember no arching, don't want to round. All right, spine health, so important. Squeezing your chest as they come in and squeezing the back of your arms, your triceps. You know, the back fat is around here and it's also here. So we're working the front and the back in these exercises. 3, 2, 1, hold, squeeze, squeeze, and put those weights down. Very good, shake it out. Breathe. And for our next one, we're gonna be in that same bent over position, same starting with our arms hanging down. And this time we're going to open our arms and bring our hands to our sides, okay? All right, squeezing that chest as it comes in, squeezing the back as they go out. All right, grab those weights, get ready, and begin, 30 seconds. Very good. Your gaze should be downwards, all right, to create a nice straight line from your neck all the way to your tailbone. If your back is hurting, that means you might be arching, so remember that straight back to protect yourself. Almost there, push through. 3, 2, 1, very good. Put down those weights. Big breath and shake it out. Those were our 4 awesome movements for back fat workout. Now that we went through that first set explanation, we're gonna go through that second set, just getting to it, doing the movements, you know what to do. So take a second, stretch your arms, drink some water, and look at the time so that when you come back to this workout, you don't have to go through the demo anymore and you can just go straight to the workout. All right? Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, you know what to do. We're going straight through. We have our L raises, all right, our overhead press, our bent over rows, and then our bent over reverse fly, okay? 30 seconds each exercise. Get in position, ready, and let's go. Very good. Remember your posture. Remember to breathe. Remember a nice bend in the knees. Almost there. You got this. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Short break. Put them down. Wiggle, wiggle. Breathe. And right over to that overhead press. In position. And let's go. Remember, nice straight back here, no arching. Shoulders pushed away from your ears. Even though we come up, they stay down, okay? Very good. I know it's starting to burn. You got this. Push through. We're almost there. 3, 2, 1. And very good. Go ahead, put it down. Wiggle, wiggle. Breathe. Shake, shake, shake. And over to our bent over rows. In position. Straight back. And let's go. Remember, those elbows stay nice and close to your body. Straight back, no arching. Don't forget to breathe in your nose, out your mouth. Nice deep breaths. 3, 2, 1. Straight back as you put those weights down. And very good, shake it out. Awesome, right back over to that bent over position. We have a reverse flies, last one of the set. Ready, and let's go. Very good, you're almost there. You got this, push through. You're doing fantastic. Think of those summer dresses. 3, 2, 1, and down. Very, very good. Shake it out. That was it. That was your full set. You did amazing. If you're ready for another one, go ahead and rewind, get to it. If not, I can't wait to see you on the next one.